Babe of the day. Babe of the day. Woodbabi. I've been a YouTuber for a while, but believe it or not, I don't pay much attention to what other YouTubers are doing. I'm too busy trying to do my own thing. But every once in a while, I come across something interesting. I just had to tell you about this. She goes by the name Woodbabi. She's one of countless girls to do the whole online influencer thing, complete with YouTube channel, Instagram account, and so forth. Unlike other internet girls, Woodbabi has a unique gimmick. She does woodworking, and she's really quite good at it. I've always been fascinated by woodworking anyway. It's cool to be able to make your own furniture, cabinets, and other things. I don't know how safe it is to be woodworking wearing as little as she does, but what the hey. Woodbabi's online presence features not only woodworking, but her workouts at the gym, working on her pickup, and all sorts of modeling. Woodbabi is definitely athletic, and she keeps herself very fit. She looks good and all that, but for me, nothing makes a woman more attractive than when she can actually do something. Having a genuine talent is what separates Woodbabi from a lot of her competition. Any good-looking woman who has a useful skill, like Woodbabi, deserves to be called a Babe of the Day. Babe of the Day.